It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 17th of September. I'm James Spann. Rain chances will stay relatively high through early next week, but evidence is increasing. We'll see a nice surge of dry air by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Let's check out the upper air pattern early this morning. The jet stream near the Canadian border. And again, broad troughing down here in the southeastern states. The remnants of Nicholas, if you will. That was the radar this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. Not much happening. A few little spotty showers around. Temperatures mostly low 70s, and we will stay in the 70s much of the day today, the high around 80 this afternoon. A flash flood watch remains in effect for Mobile, Baldwin, Escambia, and Washington counties down in southwest Alabama. And around the nation, things fairly quiet early this morning. Good news, we do not expect any severe weather today, tomorrow, and on Sunday, day 3, just a marginal risk over parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas, well to the north of here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the Pacific Northwest very wet and the Deep South pretty wet. Rain amounts for most places between 1 and 3 inches through the Friday morning of next week. So in the tropics, the good news, the Gulf is quiet. We've got 3 waves out in the Atlantic to watch. We've got the one that's off the coast of North Carolina, one in the central Atlantic, and a wave coming off the coast of Africa. None of these expected to directly affect the United States, which is great news. The one out there in the middle of the Atlantic, that is Invest 95L, that begins to gain latitude north of the Lesser Antilles, and a high chance that recurves. So no systems threatening the Gulf of Mexico for the next 7 to 10 days, which is pretty amazing for this time of the year. We'll take that. Here we go, model fans. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, broad troughing around, clouds around, and showers at times. Maybe some thunder. And like recent days, not going to rain all day. You might see the sun peek out from time to time, and the high today will be around 80. And that's the idea for the weekend. This is tomorrow. A few passing showers are likely. Maybe some thunder. That means for the college football games across the Deep South, take the rain gear, including Alabama, Florida at Gainesville. High tomorrow should be around 80, and again Sunday, no change. Mostly cloudy, a few showers likely, maybe some thunder. The high 77 to 80. Monday of next week, not much change. Tuesday, again, showers and a few thunderstorms are likely, but notice that cold front north and west of the state. And now the GFS depicting that dry air actually moving in here Wednesday. So we'll take that. So we'll begin to bump up the drier air arrival to Wednesday, and then this is Thursday. Should be a beautiful day. Sunny, lower humidity, cooler nights. We'll start the day in the 50s, and this is a week from today, Friday the 24th. Upper high in the southwest, troughing over the eastern states. And again, you see some moisture trying to come back, but at this point, we'll leave it dry. We'll call it partly to mostly sunny. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, September the 26th. Big upper low that's over the northeast. And again, that looks awfully quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, a little under 3 inches between now and the 2nd of October. Check out the temperatures. Highs will be in the low 80s, upper 70s through early next week. But notice those lows dropping into the 50s by Thursday and Friday morning of next week. Some of the cooler pockets might see low and mid 50s. And the CPC outlook, this is for September 24th through September 30th. And if this works out, temperatures here would be at or below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.